Farm Truck Financial, we're riding with.
Greetings, everyone. Eric here, President of Retirement Wealth Advisors, and this week we are at SEMA 2025. It is a massive aftermarket show, huge, overwhelming, and there's no way that you can see this whole show in a few days. Why is this so important? What does it have to do with investing? And why do we look at this so often? The reason why is actually consumers are spending over $53 billion a year in aftermarket parts. What they're trying to do is customize, make their vehicle unique, have it stand out, maybe have a few bells and whistles that didn't come from the factory. So what you're going to see at the show is you're going to see all kinds of aftermarket speaker systems, stereos, turbo equipment, heaters, tires, wheels, anything that you can imagine that you can upgrade your vehicle is actually here. We talked a lot about overlanding, adventure, and camping, what a huge sector that's getting to be. It is massive. So everyone is here trying to show off all their builds. You have cars all the way from 50 grand to well over $2 million. All of these builders are here. And what we did was we had very strong conversations about them, about what the future looks like with AI, with rising material costs, inflation, all the issues that go on. And we also want to know how it's looking for future builds. The other reason that this is so important is with all consumers spending that money on all these aftermarket parts, what that really converts to is jobs. And what this whole industry creates is over a million different jobs, but also $336 billion in domestic economy. So all that money is being fueled by all of these parts, manufacturers, and all the builders, and actually all the workforce that goes into it. So again, this is a huge, massive show. Take a look at some of the shots as we go around. All the beautiful cars, trucks, everything is different. Motorcycles, electric vehicles, gas vehicles, diesel vehicles. These are all the different things that we're getting into. And again, this is a massive market. So again, when we're taking a look at investing for your portfolio, these industry shows, whether it's automotive or anything else that we take a look at, we have to take a look at trends and see how the economy is actually factored in to know how we invest your portfolio, your finances better. So again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the back roads of retirement.
We hope you'll join us for the next ride on Farm Truck Financial, where we're always planting seeds for a better future, 1 mile, $1 at a time.
Farm Truck Financial, we're riding with you down the back road, stay